So I went to my MySQL console, and then I created a table with two columns. One is the entity ID, and then the other is just date changed. Date changed. So what we're going to do here is we'll go to view, we'll rename this Talend output, and then coincidentally is also the name of the table that I'm hitting. And what we want to do with this is we can either insert or insert, delete, replace. And so we can do an insert for right now. So we'll click on edit schema. Not sure if you can see this, but this will tell it the right side is what's going to be outputted to the table. The left side is what's coming into this as an argument. So we really don't need the result set. We do need the employee number though, and so I'm going to rename that to entity ID. And I made that a string, so I'll make it a varchar here, and the type will also be a string. And then the other thing that I did was date of change. So I'll type date changed. And this will be a date, and it puts in a date pattern for you, and then the default is going to be now. So I just type now with an open parenthesis and closing parenthesis, which is a MySQL function which produces the timestamp of right now, whatever the current date is, and time. So I will click OK. Save this. I'm going to deactivate this one, and now I'm going to run this and see what happens. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't know what the date changed means. So I'll double click on this, and then I'll go to so what we need to do here is make the result set of that logging component have the same column names as the table, so that it outputs successfully. We could probably just put employee ID, employee number here. I can make that the integer that it wants to be. Click OK. I'll save this and run it again. So it doesn't know what date changed is either. So how we solve this is that I'm going to delete this connection here. I'm going to find a mapping component. tmap, maybe. tmap. There it is. Write this to a mapping. Open up the mapping, and I'm going to stop the video and make sure you can see this part.